Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an explanation letter for mortgage. What is a letter of explanation for a mortgage? A letter of explanation is your opportunity to explain inconsistencies in your mortgage application, and any aspects of your financial history that your lender needs to understand better before it can approve you for a loan. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an explanation letter for mortgage step by step. Check this out. First of all, you need to write down your personal information. Yes, write your full name first. Under it, write your home address. When you write the address, don't forget to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After that, you can write the date of the letter. You may use the format of month, date, and year. In this example is November 4, 2023. For the next, you need to write the information about the recipient of this letter. You can either address it to a person or a company. For individual, write the full name and occupation in the company. For the company, you can just simply write the name of the organization. And under it, write the address of the company or organization or the office. When you write the address, don't forget to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. And now, you can write the reference of the letter. Since you are replying the letter from the recipient, it is a reference letter. But if you want to write a letter, then it becomes a subject of the letter. Simply, you can write your full name. And write loan application. Don't forget to mention the account number. Once you're done, you can then open the letter with salutation. If you don't know the name, just write Dear Sir or Madam. Or to whom it may concern. In the first paragraph, state clearly the reason why you are writing this letter. Here, you need to mention that you are writing this letter to explain the gap in your unemployment. And write how long you have been unemployed. In this example is 4-month gap. After mentioning the period of time, mention also the date about the month. It is the date when you start being unemployed and the date when you get a job. After that, you must write the explanation of the reasons why you were unemployed. There must be some reasons and you can simply mention what it was. In this example, the reason is because the writer's company downsized the number of employees. So, if your case is the same, you can follow this video. Write your previous company name. And write that your precious employer downsized many of their employees in that month. And mention what month. And state clearly how you were one of the employees laid off as a result of this matter. And now, after explaining how you lost the job, now explain how you get a new job. You can simply write when you get another job. Yes, you have to mention the date. And of course, mention the name of your current company. And make it clear if you are currently working there in the present. So, the writer here gets another job at different company on October, in XYZ Accounting Inc. And the writer has been working there and employed ever since. For the next, state clearly if you are a full-time employee or part-time or temporary or permanent or so on. And then, this is the point. Tell the recipient how you are financially better right now. It is about telling that you are financially stable for now. In the second paragraph, you need to attach some documents along with this letter. Therefore, you need to mention it, so the recipient will check it immediately after reading this letter. You can simply write "I have attached to this letter my pay stubs and other evidence to help verify and substantiate the information I have listed here." In the last paragraph, thank the recipient for their consideration of your situation. And welcome the recipient to contact you for more information or any questions. In this case, it is best to provide your personal contact information, like phone number or email address. These two are the most common informal letters. And finally, you can close the letter with "Sincerely." Add your signature and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write an explanation letter for mortgage step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.